So what are the South African Revenue Service's tax requirements regarding Forex trading? Let's say it will be your sole income. Do you need to set up a company that you can trade through? If I intend on immigrating, should you choose a broker in that country now? What expenses can a Forex trader claim in South Africa? Will you be a provisional taxpayer? Hi, welcome to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing, so that you don't miss future videos. Remember to hit the like button just to motivate us to continue making these videos. By the way, if you are interested in making money online via trading etc., visit the links in the description box below. Let's get into today's video. What are SARS tax requirements on full-time Forex trading? We assume it will be your sole income. First, let us define income or capital. The operative words in trading Forex in South Africa are trading and income. This implies that your intention is to trade Forex with the intention of making a profit. As a result, the profit that you make from trading Forex meets the definition of gross income in the Income Tax Act, and thus would be taxed as income, based on the income tax tables for an individual. Consequently, any expense that you incur in the production of the income can be deducted. Foreign exchange allowance. In terms of getting money offshore to trade, as a trader in South Africa, you have a 1 million rand annual discretionary allowance that doesn't require the South African Reserve Bank's or SARS approval. In addition to that, you have a 4 million rand foreign investment allowance. In order to use the foreign investment allowance, you need to apply to SA Reserve Bank for approval, and will also need a SARS tax directive. What is worldwide income for tax purposes? As a South African resident, you are taxed on your worldwide income, and as such will need to declare the profits, converted to rand, in your annual tax return. You would also need to pay provisional tax in August and February every year. It's important to note that this is not an additional tax, but just a mechanism to pay your annual tax, as your income won't be subject to pay as you earn aka PAYE tax. If you move overseas, it's important to note that if you move without formal immigration procedures, you may still be a tax resident, subject to South African tax, and therefore would need to continue to pay tax in South Africa. Emigration involves applying to both the SA Reserve Bank and SARS to no longer be a South African resident. It is advisable to get advice on emigration as, depending on your circumstance, it may trigger a capital gains tax liability. Now, must you trade as an individual or as a company? Whether you should trade through a company or sole proprietor is based on more than just tax decisions, which are too numerous to discuss in this response. Remember, however, that if you set up company in South Africa, and then emigrate afterwards, the company would still be an RSA domiciled company and subject to tax in South Africa. If you use an offshore Forex broker, Forex intermediaries or advisors must be registered with the Financial Services Board in South Africa if they provide advice or intermediary services in South Africa. This is regardless of whether the product is offered locally or from abroad. Therefore, before selecting a Forex broker, check on the FSB website to see if they are licensed to provide services in South Africa. Likewise, if you emigrate, do research on any broker that you select to check that they are correctly licensed. Please note that the information contained in this video should not be seen as professional advice in terms of the Financial Advisors and Intermediary Services Act, but I trust that it provides some clarity on the tax position. We do recommend seeking formal advice from a professional and a registered tax practitioner before implementing a Forex trading account. If you learned something new in today's video, please remember to click the like button. Leave a comment with your thoughts in the comments section below. Again, hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss future videos. We will see you in the next video.